MGM School of Physiotherapy, which is a constituent unit of MGM IHS, which is deemed university, and it is grade A, and it is accredited by NAC. Myself, Dr. Payal Murkudkar, will be giving you today a quick glimpse of the campus life, the curriculum, and the extracurricular activities happening at MGM School of Physiotherapy. Dr. Rajni Muller Patan is the professor director at MGM School of Physiotherapy and also at the Aurangabad campus. We have two campuses, one in Navi Mumbai and one at Aurangabad. So Dr. Rajni Muller Patan is a director and professor at both the universities. The programs offered by MGM School of Physiotherapy is a bachelor's program, Master of Physiotherapy. We have a doctoral program in physiotherapy and also fellowship programs like spine care. MGM School of Physiotherapy is one of the few institutes in the country to start with choice-based credit system for physiotherapy syllabus. In choice-based, for example, if you attend a lecture of 1 hour, you get 1 credit. If you attend a tutorial of 2 hours, you get 1 credit. Practicals of 2 hours, 1 credit. So in the credit choice-based system, there are some core courses which the student has to compulsory take up. There are some elective courses, and there are something called as ability enhancement courses, which leads to overall development of the student. So core courses are compulsory courses which the students have to attempt, and elective courses are few advanced subjects where a student has a choice to select between the two elective courses. It permits, what is the advantages of the CBCS system is, it permits students to learn at their own pace. It allows to adopt an interdisciplinary and interdisciplinary approach in learning. And this is something in accordance. Now, CBCS is something which is in accordance to the National Education Policy 2020. In India, National Education Policy has been revised almost after 30 to 35 years. So CBCS is in accordance with the National Education Policy. Now, Bachelor of Physiotherapy basically is a program of 4.5 years, where 4 years is the academics, pure academics plus clinical training, and 6 years is rotational internship, where the student gets posted in different clinical areas, where he does very specific management of the patients under a faculty guidance. Now, programs, we have around 8 semesters, and the 9th semester is the internship. Now, every semester, if you see, every year there'll be 2 semesters. So one semester is for 6 months. So the first semester, at the end of every semester, there'll be a university examination. So every year the student will be appearing for 2 university examination. And before an university exam, there'll be something called as mid-semester exam, which is an internal exam. Okay. So the student gets a chance to clear their internal assessment in that program. So you have 6 months of one semester. At the end of one semester, there is university exam. Approximately after 4.5 months, there'll be mid-semester exam, which is the internal exam. So in total, there are 4 semester, 8 semester, total 4 years, 6 months of internship. Now, this is a glimpse of the subjects which are there in the different semesters. Now, semester 1 and 2 is nothing but your first year. So in semester 1, you have core theory topics, something as human anatomy practicals, human physiology, kinesiotherapy, biophysics, environmental science. And ability enhancement course, we have environmental course and introduction to the basic skills in patient care. In semester 2, we have human anatomy 2, where you have lower limbs, neuroanatomy, human physiology, kinesiotherapy, biochemistry. And in ability enhancement compulsory course, we have English and communication skills. So basically, credit-based systems, inclusion of ability enhancement course leads to overall development of the students. Semester 3, as the semester progresses, the subjects goes on, the difficulty level of the subjects goes on increasing. So in semester 3 and 4, we have something called as electrotherapy, pharmacology, psychology, biomechanics and clinical applications, etc. Semester 5 and 6 is again all introduction to geriatric care, medicine, surgery. And the last semester, semester 7 and 8, is basically entirely regarding physiotherapy and integration of all the semesters and applying and doing the management of the patients. Now, Bachelor of Physiotherapy basically is 4 years, so divided into 8 semesters. So approximately the cost, if you see the tuition fees, eligibility fees, registrations, laboratory fees, journal, library, transportation. In total, it will give something around 2.5 to 3 lakhs, which is subject to change per year. We also have Master of Physiotherapy program, which is also a CBCS pattern. It is a full-time 2 years course. We have Master of Musculoskeletal Neurophysiotherapy, Cardiopulmonary, Preventive and Community, and also Sports Physiotherapy. This is the faculty at for musculoskeletal physiotherapy, which is headed by Dr. Rajni Muller Patan. All the faculty are well trained. We have neurophysiotherapy, we have 4 faculties. Cardiopulmonary, we have 4 faculties. We have 1 faculty specialized for sports physiotherapy and 1 faculty totally dedicated for community physiotherapy. We also do have honorary faculties. So the student gets benefited by the visiting faculties also, Professor Sai Lakshmi and Professor Robert, who visits us from Cardiff University. Students, we do at MGM School of Physiotherapy, we have well-equipped laboratories. We have kinesiotherapy laboratories where the students are trained for it. We have electrotherapy laboratory on our first floor of physiotherapy building. We also have fully equipped therapeutic gymnasium, which is there in physiotherapy OPD. Our OPD is in basement of the medical college building, on the hospital building. On the second floor and first floor, we have well-equipped classrooms, spacious classroom, plus a locker facility is also there, where the student avails to it once the admission is done. We have libraries. We have our central library, which is there in the medical college. We also have a library in our physiotherapy building. So student has 2 libraries. We also have facility for e-libraries. Hostel facility, we have a separate boys hostel and girls hostel in the same campus. We have a very nice big playground. Commuting facility, the campus is close to, if you see the station wise, it is closer to Khandeshwar station, and it is also closer to the nearby station. We do have bus facilities for the students to commute from Khandeshwar to MGM campus. Our one more campus is there at Sanpada, where the CMHS lab is there. So students do get commuting facility from the MGM campus to Sanpada. This is the clinical exposure. This is our musculoskeletal physiotherapy OPD in the hospital building. This is our neurophysiotherapy department. We have separate neuro rehab OPD at Kamote for pediatrics, for adults. We have Sharan Paraplegic Home at Vashi, where the student gets posted and get exposure to spinal cord injury patients, etc. We do have a good IPD setup for neuro rehab. We do have pediatric ICU, cardiac ICU, medical MICU, and surgery ICU. Plus, we have a NICU and women's health at Kalamboli. This is our community physiotherapy. We have geriatric care at the campus. We have women's health at Kalamboli and various other old age homes the student gets exposure to. Now, currently, as we know we are in a pandemic, and since May 2020, MGM IHS Navi Mumbai is recognized as a COVID center. So we have a dedicated COVID wards. We have ICUs. So we are catering to around 250 to 300 COVID patients right now. So faculty as well as master students and interns do get exposure and training in the COVID training. This is our patient's testimonial from the COVID wards, from the COVID patients, and they are very well happy and they are recovering and they're showing great results after physiotherapy treatment. Now we have sports physiotherapy special postings. We have MGM School Nerul is a constituent unit of the MGM IHS, where student gets posted the sports physiotherapy and can do various physical fitness assessment. We have association with Karnala Sports, where student gets exposure to various athletes. Now, MGM CHMS lab is situated at Sanpada. It is one of the lab in India where different types of research activities goes on and the student gets exposure to it and get trained to it. Then this is also the glimpse of it, various research going at MGM at the CHMS lab, which is at Sanpada. We do have regular workshops and training programs for our students at CHMS lab. We do have research and consultation activities. Currently, we had a student mobility program between University and Sydney and MGM School of Physiotherapy. Also, our association with the University at Canada. So we do have visiting faculties from various international universities where student gets benefit from. This is our national and international collaborations. Internationally, we have collaborations with Cardiff University, World Spine Care, International Society of Biomechanics. At national level, we have association with IIT Madras, BTech, then SNDT Mumbai, Sancheti College of Physiotherapy, etc. Now, this was a World Spine Care team visit in January 2020. We are a part of the World Spine Care, and we run a special spine care OPD at our MGM Kamote campus. This is our awareness and the extension activities. We do have a lot of support groups, so we are not really restricted to classroom teaching, but we do get, our students do get exposure to various support group activities. For example, we have spinal cord injury support group, we have Parkinson support group, we have COPD support group. We do cater to antenatal care camp at NERE. We have various spine program awareness programs being conducted and various other such programs conducted at regular basis. Now, for student welfare, we have a special student welfare committee where faculty and student representative from each year is there in the committee. We have alumni group. We have regular mentorship program where a student can interact directly with the faculty and share her or his academic problems with. We have regular parent-teacher association meeting where student and parent can come up with any problem they are facing with. We have grievance redressal committee, we have anti-sexual harassment committee and anti-ragging committee in the campus. So we do take care of the student in terms of all this, and so that our students do not face any problems. Now, our students are really doing well in academics, and to appreciate that, we do have MPT best MPT student award and a best BPT student award. So in 2019, our student Apurva Dige was awarded as a Chancellor Award from the Vice Chancellor, and this year, Miss Jayati Sampant was awarded as a Best Chancellor Award. Now, students, we do have a lot of extracurricular activities. We have an annual fest which is Athena, which happens around in the February or March. We also have something called as MGM Olympics, which happens in the month of December and which is conducted in the Aurangabad campus, MGM Aurangabad campus. So our students do participate in the MGM Olympics. Now, we have a lot of social responsibilities and we do a lot of outreach activities placed in the campus being in Navi Mumbai, in Raigad. We have a lot of rural population around. So we have a lot of activities there. We do have tree plantation drive. We have our very own NSS unit. So under the NSS unit, we do blood drive, donation drive, pulse polio camps, Fit India campaign, etc. These are the few examples of it. We do have plastic free campaign, etc. Alumni under alumni associations, our well-known alumni do visit the college and do guide our students. So this year, Dr. Anthea D'Souza had come on 8 January to speak on license application, exam preparation, and different courses offered in abroad. Now, these are few of the alumni which are doing very well. For example, Dr. Gayatri Shetty, she is a physiotherapist for PV Sindhu. Our very own Dr. Chirag Pandya is a sports therapist for Harbhajan Singh. Our Dr. Abhishek Sawant is doing very well in BCCS. So these are few examples of it which are doing very well in the sports physiotherapy. We do have faculty placed in good universities. We have our students placed at various research and academic activities also. Scope after physiotherapy is once you finish your Bachelor of Physiotherapy, you can apply for Masters of Physiotherapy. Once you finish your 4.5 years, you get your bachelor's degree, you can work, you get that degree, you can work in private clinic, you can open your own clinic, you can work in private hospital. You can work with a sports team, you can work in a community physiotherapy center, or you can join academics, or you can pursue research. But few of these activities can be done only once you apply for Masters of Physiotherapy. Thank you.